Okay, what we're going to talk about today is how to reset your Pax3 to factory reset. So basically what you got to do, you got to turn the Pax3 on. Okay. Once it's on and heat up to a green, once you see it, and it's coming up. Okay, let it heat up a bit. Okay. Then what we're going to do is once it gets into green, okay, we're going to press and hold the button. Okay. Now it doesn't matter where what temperature it is. Next, what we want to do is you want to hold the Pax3 the long ways, oven in the right hand, and the mouthpiece in the left. So left hand where the mouthpiece is, and where the oven is on the right hand. And all you got to do right now is rotate it 10 times. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and 10, and it will blink white, and you are good to go. And it automatically it shuts itself off, and now you're good to go. Your factory reset. All you got to do now is press the one button on top, let her heat up, and you're good to go. Thank you.